And welcome back, everyone. This is episode 1 of 20. What did I just do? This is episode 1 of 2022 corn harvest, and we are getting started. I'm going to start the tractor up here in a bit. We just got done setting up the whole dryer setup. Well, we're mostly done. We got a couple small things we got to do, but those are pretty simple and fast. But all the big stuff's done. We're ready to go start picking corn and loading our wet bin. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's get moving. So we started our first pass in the field. As you can see behind me, one pass. We just did a loaded shutdown on the combine, basically where we stopped the combine and basically started back up. As we shut it off real fast, shut all the buttons off, turn it back on before, and then it'll basically stop everything where it's at. So then we can see if we're losing any grain, or if we can see if we need to adjust something on the back. So we just did that. Stuff looking good for the most part, but can I just say, can't beat a Drago corn head. Amazing. Looking good. Corn's standing very well. I think it's going to yield very well too. Alright, wagon's full. We just did like 3.5 acres, and so now we got to take the wagon to our local co-op, weigh it so we can calibrate the yield monitor and everything. So that's kind of what we're gonna be doing next year, and then we're gonna unload it into our wet bin back at the farm. And then the plan is tomorrow morning we're gonna fire up the dryer, get started on that, and then we can just keep picking, and we're gonna fill our cooling bin full, and then once that's full, we gotta offload a little bit, and then we have a way of doing it. You guys will see in the upcoming videos. But we're gonna shut the combine down for right now, and then we'll be back here real soon. All right, we're here at our local co-op. You see all the bins behind me. We're currently fueling up the tractor, and then we're gonna go over and get our wagon. We're gonna go weigh our wagon. I'm pretty sure, actually I think it's on the scale over there. But and then once that's done, we're gonna take her back, unload it, and then we'll go from there. All right, she's fired up. Time to pick some more corn, guys. We'll see how much we can get done tonight. It's not gonna be much, but it's enough to get the dryer started in the morning. So next video, you guys are gonna see the dryer running. So yeah, pretty good. Got all end rows off. We cab corned. Alright guys, thanks you for watching this episode. This is part 1. There will be a few more videos on this. Next video we start the dryer up. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.